prefer, would prefer, would rather than, had better. You asked for a lesson on this topic. So here it is. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use these phrases easily, no problem. My name's Arnell. Let's start. I have two colors. Which one do you like more? For me, purple. I have two drinks. Which one do you like more? For me, Coke. I have two activities. Which one do you like more? For me, swimming. We can say, I like purple more or I prefer purple. Same thing. I like Coke more or I prefer Coke. Same thing. I like swimming more. I prefer swimming. I prefer to swim. What's the difference, prefer swimming or prefer to swim? More on that in a minute. Prefer. Definition. There are two options. I like one option more. Prefer is a verb. It tells you what our preference is. Preference. Preference. Preference is the noun form. I prefer swimming or swimming is my preference. It's good to know the word preference because I'm going to use that a lot in today's lesson. In these examples, we are talking about our general opinion. This is what we like. This is what we prefer. Normally, usually, generally. But what if I want to give you a preference for a specific situation in the present or future? Like a decision. We need would prefer. Let's compare. General. Do you prefer Coke or Pepsi? I prefer Coke. Specific decision. Should I buy Coke or Pepsi for the party? I think everyone would prefer Coke. This is for a specific party. I'm not talking about what people like more in general. Here's another example. I prefer to bring my lunch to work every day. Eating out is expensive. Specific decision. Do you want me to order takeout tonight? Takeout. Takeout is food you can order and take with you. Takeout is usually fast food. I would prefer to eat a homemade meal, to be honest. Here I'm talking about tonight. I have good news. We can use would rather here also. I would rather have Coke. I would rather eat a homemade meal, to be honest. Yep, we need to look at the grammar. Prefer plus noun. I prefer firm pillows. I don't like soft pillows. I prefer Angela. I prefer watches with leather straps. Prefer plus infinitive or gerund. Infinitive. I prefer to go, to have, to eat. Gerund. I prefer going, having, eating. Gerund? Infinitive? Remember a couple of minutes ago I said, what's the difference, prefer swimming or prefer to swim? More on that. Let's take a look. Prefer plus gerund or prefer plus infinitive. Mini reminder, a gerund is an ing form that functions as a noun. And the infinitive is to plus base verb, like in these examples here. They are both correct and many times they are the same. Don't worry. I prefer cooking with music or prefer to cook with music. All good. But many times prefer plus gerund is focusing on the experience. Do I like this or not? Prefer plus infinitive focuses more on a habit. It doesn't mean you like it. Let's compare. I prefer sleeping with the window open. I like this. In the summer, it's comfortable. I prefer to pay my bills a couple of days early. This makes it less stressful. This is a habit, a preference. I mean, does anyone really like paying bills? Just remember that yes, there is this nuance, but usually the forms are interchangeable. Don't worry. Would prefer plus infinitive. I would prefer to eat, to play, to watch, to have, to be. Would rather plus a base verb. I would rather eat, play, watch, have, be. No to with would rather. Also, would rather is more common and would prefer is more formal. To be honest, I personally use would rather a lot more every day. But the meaning is the same. Don't worry. Here's a tip to sound natural. Contract. Contract the subject and would when you're speaking. I'd prefer, I'd rather. You'd prefer, you'd rather. He'd prefer, he'd rather. She'd prefer, she'd rather. It isn't so common here because it can't have a preference. When would we say it would rather? You know, maybe if you're speaking about an animal or a software, something like that. But let's do the pronunciation anyway. Id. Id prefer. Id rather. Id. We'd prefer. We'd rather. They'd prefer. They'd rather. So sometimes when you're listening to a native speaker and you're wondering, where's the would prefer, would rather? You know, it's probably contracted. Mini review. Let's do a mini review now. We use prefer for a general preference. Tess prefers baggy clothes. Baggy means loose and too big. Baggy clothes can be very comfortable. Tess prefers wearing baggy clothes or Tess prefers to wear baggy clothes. General preference, noun, gerund, infinitive, all good. We can use would rather and would prefer for a specific preference in the present or future, usually with a decision. I'm picking out seats for our flight. Which type of seat would you like? I would prefer to have a window seat. I'd rather have a window seat. Would rather is more common and we do not use to. Cultural note. Would you rather is a common question people ask each other for fun. There are websites, apps, board games, all dedicated to would you rather questions like, would you rather be invisible or have the ability to fly? I would rather be invisible. Would you rather travel everywhere for free or eat everywhere for free? Yep, I'm still here. I'm just invisible. And this next one is a weird one. It's a popular one and I have no idea where it comes from. Would you rather fight one horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses? Look, this is a thing. I mean, who came up with this question in the first place? Here are a few sentences we've looked at so far. Okay, but what do we do if we want to have two options in one sentence? I prefer purple to green. I prefer swimming to running. I prefer to bring my lunch to work every day rather than buy lunch. I would prefer to eat a homemade meal rather than eat takeout. I would rather have a window seat than an aisle seat. Aisle seat. Aisle. Let's break this down. I prefer noun to noun or gerund to gerund. Prefer plus infinitive rather than base verb. Would prefer plus infinitive rather than base verb. Would rather plus base verb than base verb. And you can see it's possible to remove the verb after than when it's already clear. We don't need to repeat eat twice or have twice. There's a lot of information here. It's important to learn combinations. In English, we are often taught learn vocabulary, learn grammar, but you have to learn combinations. Memorize pairs and groups of words. Let's look at these combinations again with different examples. Jane prefers action movies to horror movies. Jane prefers riding her bike to walking. Jane prefers to work out in the mornings rather than the evenings. Work out means exercise. Jane would prefer to meet face to face rather than meet online. Jane would rather stay home today than go out. Pause the lesson and think of your own examples. You really want to practice these combinations. And we don't want to mix and match. We wouldn't say, I would rather, rather than. Stick to these combinations here. Okay, leave me your examples in the comments. I don't know if I've already said that or not. Rather than. I want to look at this one in a bit more detail. Here's an example we looked at a second ago. Jane would prefer to meet face-to-face rather than meet online. You can see rather than gives us a preference. But it's not only used with would prefer, it can be used like instead of in different situations. They chose to hire a freelancer rather than a full-time employee. A freelancer. Freelancer is someone who doesn't have one boss. They work there in different places. Rather than focusing on mistakes, I tell my students they should focus on their progress. Instead of a full-time employee, instead of focusing on mistakes. Let's do another common structure. Imagine there's a class trip tomorrow. When does the bus leave? It leaves at 8, but I'd prefer everyone to be here at 7:45. Would prefer, object, infinitive. This is a formal and polite way to say, I want. I want everyone to be here at 7:45. Sheila said that she'd prefer us to use the back door rather than the front door. Would prefer, plus object, plus infinitive. Would you prefer me to stay? And here's another one. I would prefer it if you didn't smoke in the house. Would prefer it if past simple. This is used for polite requests or things we want in the present. What? We use a past simple for the present? Yes. Remember, you want to memorize combinations. Think of these structures as one piece of vocabulary. It'll make your life much easier. My parents would prefer it if I got married. Would prefer it if plus past simple. Of course our boss would prefer it if we worked on Sundays. Would you prefer it if I closed the windows? Or are you okay? Last point in today's lesson. Many students often confuse would rather and had better, but these are completely different things. Would rather, preference. You know this. I'd rather stand on a bus than sit. Had better. This is a strong warning. There will be consequences if you don't do this. Consequences. Consequences. A consequence is a negative result because of your action. For example, if you speed while driving, what's the consequence? You get a ticket and you need to pay. That's the consequence. And this is a set expression. We don't say have better or has better. It's always had better. You had better pay me back. Return my money. I'm warning you. There will be consequences. I'll pay you tomorrow. You had better. And in informal English, people often drop the had. You better. She better. He better. My husband had better not forget my birthday again, or there will be hell to pay. So, had better can be a really strong warning, but we also use it to mean, I should do this. It's better if I do this. I'd better leave before it gets dark. Notice the contraction, I'd. And this time it's I had, not I would. It's a popular restaurant. We'd better book a table, don't you think? Your residence permit expires next month. You'd better renew it. So with these examples here, there is a consequence if I don't do something. Let's compare. I would rather stay here. I had better stay here. Both are correct, but the feeling is different. The meaning is different. I would rather stay here is my preference. We can go out. We can go there. We can go there. Nope, I'd rather stay here. I'm comfortable. I had better stay here is what I should do. It's snowing like crazy out. It's not safe to drive. I'd better stay here. Final summary of everything we looked at. You can always pause the video to review everything. Leave me your examples in the comments. You had better leave me your examples in the comments. I'm warning you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.